Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is me Fila and I'm back once again. I'm here, I'm fit and fine, right? So I think I've been lost for a while in YouTube. It's a long time, right? Okay, okay, I'll speak in my local language. Okay. Di paralok hagan ni video wadom skawi ay mga stang daga katian pareng wadom skawi ay mo nefidom na. Okay. Ti kadaw kaday nganya thu nga manta kadaw kaday na marpa dan naki subscribers ki baday na ki pat kiri ti ki send ki jingkili kanya hapo ki email hapo ka email jonga ti ki kili ki ko atip te chpanga ni channel ki ko atip chpanga kamtam chpanga ni ka ktien ka banga kran te ngamban se tinga haban pen mi kanya ka video kana begitu kinom dam kan ki ko man tip am tinggal orang ki bang happen mi apa video kan kana mapin ya tip gitu ki bam dai na ka jat video changa te tang katahi bat wat nom sngop her pala onam sngoi e namar ba ya keren dak tin pareng lani dak english te wat nom sngau e halor kata namar ba ki wei pat ki videos ki bangan sapen mi hadien ki bandang wan kin dai bet ki dakak tien lajang kin dai bet dakak tien lajang lani dakak tien khasi ki bangan pen mi ti wan nom snow pair halor kata what snow ba o banga pen mi video kum ne dakak harente tanga ngam sngip yo phim so tanat shu ti wan nom snow kum ta mo parlok rei ki video si bangan pen mi biang nang ne shakmat tikin de bi dak tien khasi te de tangani ka video hi ka ba matharai ngan krenda khtien pharang ti wat nom sngop per lo kata mo parlok ngatai pias ngo thu de te ta should I continue? Okay, all right. So this video is dedicated especially to my lovely subscribers from other countries like America, UK, Turkey, Indonesia, and so on and so forth. Alright, so I've seen messages and the queries that you sent me through emails. Alright, so I've seen those questions, those queries. You're asking me those questions like what is this language, what am I speaking, right? What language is this, right? So I'll answer that. All right, and then next question I saw that you sent to me, it's about my culture, but about my culture I'll just explain it to you that I will not explain much about my culture because there are many videos that you can watch and explore more if you want to. Alright, so there are many channels if you want to explore more about my culture. Alright, okay, so that's all from my side. Okay, alright, so I think you want to know more especially about my language. So my language that I speak, that I used to speak in my channel, is Khasi language. So Khasi language is it's our mother tongue from Meghalaya. Okay, Meghalaya is situated in northeast India. Okay, so there are many states in northeast and Meghalaya is one, and from Meghalaya also there are many tribes. Okay, but the three main tribes are the Khasi, Garo and the Jaintia. Alright, but then for that too, in my opinion, I think that Khasi and Jaintia, they are all the same because they dress the same, like the Jankarsha, and the way they speak the dialect also is more or less the same, but I don't know what others felt, but in my opinion, or in my feelings is that Khasi and Jaintia, they are the same. Okay, alright. And next question, I think you asked me about my channel. Okay, so my channel is a self-made channel. I made it by myself, and I speak in Khasi, in my local language, so that I want to advise, I want to help my community, especially those who don't understand English. I want them to understand. I want them to give advice and share with them something that I know. Alright, so I just want to share with my community. Okay, and my channel is all about home remedies, product review, then DIY, and so on and so forth. But mostly I used to make contents like home remedies and product review many times. So my channel is just for, especially for my community. I just want to help them and advise them and share with them what I know, just a little bit of information. I think it will be helpful for them, those who don't know, those who stay in the villages especially. And also my videos are not that perfect, I think, for most of the people. I don't have a good quality camera. I used to record it from my phone because I don't have that much resources and expenditure to do well. But then I thank God I'm like this, so it's all because I'm content with what I have. Alright, so I think it's okay. But then I try to improve, and sometimes I use a mic, and my mic also is broken. Now I am just recorded just from a phone. Okay, and I have not yet getting paid for my YouTube videos that I used to make, but then I think I have to be patient, right? That's all we need. So I'm not that professional in YouTube, but then I think it's not bothering you, right? It's all the information and the advice that I give to you, to my people, is enough, right? Okay, so we have to be patient in life or in whatever we do. So I don't have much to say because I just make this video just for that sake, just to answer those questions that you asked, those queries that you've sent to me. So I think this video, the powers went off. There's no current. I don't know why, what happened. There's no rain, there's no wind, nothing, but then the current goes off. So guys, that's all for today. I think it will be helpful for you, especially for those of you who have sent me queries, the subscribers from other countries. So till then, I don't want to go in detail. Alright, so that's all. I just want to wish you all good night, have a good sleep, be happy, be blessed. Alright, bye bye, see you then.